Go on the step, mama. Be a show like a show up for me, you know. You alright, man.
Yeah, you left. You left, you know. Yeah, you left. We never want to find you again. Nothing.
Me left. So, yeah, I'm gonna find a new. Why not me find one more wife on your street? We live in a your yard, so you can see her. Yeah, in the yard, I look hard too.
You left in the yard.
How you mean? What you gonna do?
You left in the yard.
What you gonna do?
The first kick again.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Hallelujah, you know?
Hallelujah.
It's Hallelujah.
Yeah. Alright.
Hallelujah, them man.
It's Hallelujah.
Oh man.
Scanner.
Oh yeah, you answer look at you.
Well on there. Scanner.
Yeah.
Well, go on. Sit up on your corner.
Yeah.
Bring your meal, Scanner. We'll bring your meal for you.
It's
How is Philip?
Philip.
Mm-hmm.
Going alright.
You run there?
Yeah. I'm never after I did everything.
You want to give him a meal too as well today?
Yeah.
Come get chips that one there. Chips are going to run out the stall. Chip, make sure you're stacking back out, you know, chips. They must sell, so you have to have your stack them up. Don't wait till them run down. See your top shelf empty. You know? The stack out. Hallelujah.
Good evening.
Hallelujah.
Preacher Kino.
We're not preaching nothing. Hallelujah.
Preacher Kino.
Alright, Chips, come there and give us some food to the elders, them, yeah? Come, Chips, don't make it run, don't stack it up, yeah? Scanner, where you say Philip around there, right? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna check Philip, right?
To the world.
To the world. Yeah. Philip. Long time. No. How is everything?
Rough, sir, man. Kind of rough.
Yes. It's rough out there for a lot of people, you know?
I want to get back our work, Virgin. Trust me.
You want to get back to work?
Yeah.
So how you feeling now? What come on?
I walk without this now, but I forget the strong and come down.
Oh, your hand come back down again?
No, it come down yet. It's not weight pan. I forget looking more stronger.
So you think that they might curl up?
No, they don't curl up.
You have to pull them out like that?
So sometimes.
So you cannot bring them out like that?
No, not yet. It's so can work till this time, eh?
So yeah, have a ball of work it out?
I have one bar, but it's too big.
Too big.
Yeah, it can't hold a man good.
You want a smaller ball.
They come like say, how you place a field?
Stiff, man.
Stiff. So everywhere, not only so do everything stiff.
Find us go right up.
Stiff. So you got doctor on it?
Yeah, I got turf one go there, but I kind of run the money.
Oh, for go to therapy.
Yeah, but in time I get but someone must have go back.
Therapy. So much the therapy that charge you for that session there?
5,000 a session.
Okay. 5,000 a session. And you run out of funds now for that.
Yeah, but in time I get but someone must have go back. And enough therapy I go in a virgin. Enough I go.
No. So that's why the hand kind of gets stiff up back when you know. Yeah, I feel stretch it out.
It was and this I couldn't kick it up so.
Oh. Yeah,
And you to me to number the more exercise it. And that again.
So you need to get back into the therapy to help you lose, you know. So, actually kind of rough out there, you know, kind of rough out there.
Everything I'm fair wise purpose because just kind of sick. I'm more time I'm if help with food, more time I say, why for father God, come back and you them is because it's scanner.
Yeah. I understand, man. So, Father God know what's best. Bring a meal for you as well too. Yeah, see? Bring a meal for you. So, if you want, if you want, you can go put it down. So
you know, I like even for destroyer.
For destroyer?
About $25 a one.
That's good.
And mask murder more time and night time.
I know the mask them and go
But
out.
I forget the time I want to go walk around, want to come out at the daytime.
Just go and keep doing the right thing, right? Just continue. Yeah, with it. Because you have the fight in there, you know. So you have to just continue and keep the fight.
Yeah, man.
You know, because that's what you need for just motivate yourself.
I'm going to get better cinema because I never know I'm going to start walk without this. I'm start walk without it now.
So,
just because my foot not get too strong yet.
Yeah. So it's an improvement then.
Yeah.
It's an improvement. Alright then, you're feeling?
Yeah, man.
We keep you up to date.
And give thanks for that I could come from here.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. And it's coming from love from a distance.
Tell them thanks, yeah?
Just tell them, just tell them love from a distance.
Yeah, man. Thank you, loving people. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks for the food there.
Yeah, man. Let me just go visit Scanner and give me a meal.
Okay.
I got something here for you. This is from Auntie Brown. It come in a barrel and it says Canna liquor. So are you? It says ear and beauty. It's a gummy bear where it good for your ear and your skin. But it's from Auntie Brown. Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah, 2 a day you take with a meal.
Auntie Bear?
Auntie Brown.
Auntie Brown. Have you them?
You never know. There's enough round in it already.
Auntie Brown.
Yeah, I can tell Auntie Brown thanks.
Yeah. Auntie Brown? Thank you, Auntie Brown. God bless you. Merry Easter.
Alright then, yeah. So that's yours.
Yeah.
Because your name on that saying, you say, Scan go around.
Yeah.
Just go visit Scan and Scan around with the feed meal and feed it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Every day I'm having fire. Boy, long time. Long time. You bring a meal for you. What go on?
Here.
For your food.
Here.
So she go doctor?
Yeah, because doctor, I'm never Should have get back.
Okay. Here with the wow chef mom. So them look alike. This is the wow chef mother.
Yeah.
This is the wow chef mom. So you say you drop on the muscle tear in your foot.
Yeah.
So you don't get a chance to go doctor.
Yeah.
Good. Come talk to me now. What happened?
I'm not clean.
I'm not worried about clean.
It's like her foot. She dropped on it. It affect the foot. So it swell goes straight up. Come straight up.
And as me that ask her, she never get the chance to go doctor.
She did go the first time, but through her appointment always long.
Yeah.
So she never did get to go back. So she'll go back after the holiday, after Easter.
Oh, to get the appointment.
Yeah.
Okay. So that means you have to get a scan, get an X-ray. So you can say it's So what happened then when they get the date and you get the X-ray, then they can just let me know what's going on so I can inform and see if I can get some help for you then. Yeah?
Yeah.
Because you're the wow chef mom, you know.
Yeah.
So we have to look out for you, right? In some viewers, this is the wow chef mom, you know, and we have to always look out for the wow chef, and we have to always look out for his mom. Because you know, if it wasn't for his mom, who would have no wow chef here cook this meal, right? And looking out. So we get a more update, so we can know what we're heading towards, right? So let's get it checked out first, so we can know what's the procedure after the Easter.
Yeah.
So after the Easter. Wow chef, whoa. The wow chef just got New York and come back the other day. Yeah, woman. Well, I don't know where you get the wow chef from, you know. Well, it's a blessing, it's a natural talent.
Yeah.
Yeah? Whoa, see next, whoa, sister, yeah. Whoa, the whole family.
Whole family.
And 19th of the month of your birthday.
Yeah, 19th this month,
yeah.
Mama.
19th is my birthday.
You're gonna be what, 21? 67, amen. So we have big party over here then. So hopefully.
Yeah.
So the 19th of this month here, April. Wow.
I'm like look a sister Shaban the 19th, you know.
Okay, yeah.
Ingrid. Birthday.
Okay. That's Ingrid the next one there, right? A long time I don't see her. She right though.
Ingrid, she done
there. Well, so you have a big celebration there, man. So holiday already.
Anything where she have to keep, she fit in.
Yeah.
So it's it.
I have Ali already, the selector.
Our present.
Oh, see our food here, Ali.
Yeah.
So this are, love from a distance provide the meal.
Love from a distance.
Provide the meal.
Say, you know, say don't stop us saying Kino. Because we always do the thing for the elder them. My mother fit in, you see. So love from a distance.
Yeah.
More love.
Yeah.
For you.
Continue to do your good.
Yeah.
So basket.
Never empty.
Never.
Straight.
God continue to shine His light upon you.
Straight.
Give thanks.
Yeah. My mother. My mother powerful with her words. It keep me, her words and powerful. So love. What them name again?
Love from a distance.
Love from a distance. Yeah, we love from a distance, you know. Yeah.
God, them so far, but you get it feel so near.
Yeah, them so far. Come like me can't open the plate, mother earth. Whoa. See it there? Like wow chef would have said, whoa. I remember that said, mother earth.
Yeah.
I to talk up over here.
I speak to Miss Pinto. Mrs. Pinto.
Yeah.
That's the therapist.
Yeah, the therapist lady.
Yeah. So she said she'll go try and find out which date she can fill her back in.
Yeah,
I speak to her the day before yesterday, and she just because she will work with that date, which is what Thursday, right? So through from them time there from everything they stop. someone else that feel like gap there.
Yeah.
You know, so she said she go line up on next date.
Yeah.
She can't have available or can come.
Straight.
Right?
Yeah.
So I talked to her yesterday, literally I talked to her yesterday.
Yeah.
So we are waiting for her to get back to like which day, you know.
You know, me always go there because
yeah.
my work, just do my work and come out fast as quick as possible for do it. My mother is in.
Yeah.
I want to take big up the donor them, set speed is in.
Yes.
Continue to guide and bless you. Pablo, my condolence goes out to your brother, you see it.
Yeah.
The family members, you see it.
Every time.
You know, where I feel your pain.
Pablo.
Yeah.
How are you keep it up here, sir?
Yeah.
Just go and hold the faith, because God is God.
Yeah.
God never sees children suffer.
True.
God is God, so God keep it up.
True. Yeah, man, we give thanks, man. Big up yourself, Pablo. You know, much blessing.
Much blessing, Pablo.
You know, our condolences keep goes out.
Straight.
Yeah, never stop. You know, it never stop. So we are continue see me and support see me, you know.
Straight.
So Ali want to get the date. Like whenever she contact me, I will know say we have a day, it's either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. So she gonna try for the Wednesday.
Yeah.
Cause she know what the Thursday, cause the Thursday now kind of occupied. So, but she gonna let me know as soon as possible.
Yeah.
So I may explain to her.
Yeah.
So keep the prayers out for there, right?
Straight.
Cause Mr. Say you put us well back again, right?
Come and sit down.
Come see like you put us well back again.
Work. I have to work it out again. The spin tag, I see that and not have to
Yeah, the spin tag I see it, so.
You have to feel a whole heap of pain again, but this time you have to make some move. You don't mind the pain, you want to walk. You want to walk for your birthday. Yeah?
You mean walk out on the video light, of course.
For your birthday.
Walk out. Yeah, man, I want to get it. You know, we're through my cities now.
Yeah.
Really concerning. So it's a great now for we can get a date. I call her and I explain to her what I see.
Yeah.
As well too. You know, say cause she can't try for help to bring it back down.
Straight.
But I need to go back down.
Yeah.
You understand, sir?
Yes.
One team.
So let's go and take care. Yeah, I'm going and give out the food to the rest of the elders them.
One team.
You know, see the mother and son. One family.
One team.
One family.
Them say me favor, but
yeah, well, I could never she favor you or you have a favor.
Them say when boy pick the favor, them bother them lucky, you know.
Yeah, and that good.
So all of the donors them, love base station, big up on yourself said speed, you know.
Yes.
Carl and Denise, you see. Likewise, big up everybody where I support the thing, you see me I say. And this thing never stop as a you know. Yeah. Your food basket never empty.
True,
you see me I say one team, dream team.
True,
you know left my chain. And let me beat me about my chain. One team. You see me I say. Make up by Michelle, big up on yourself, you know. You see me I say. I'm out.
Mama?
Alright.
Alright. Yes.
Alright.
It's not from when we not eat.
From when you not eat?
It's not from when we not eat.
Listen now, me long
Fight on me last night and the night before. The day before.
night before last night you didn't eat anything?
No.
From when?
The same time when you left me.
From them time they didn't eat?
Yes.
So long?
Yes.
That's too long, man. Go on in, bring some food for you. We are post for my fire. Watch you. Looking at people. Look at that lady here post. Look how that. That's why I'm saying I can't bother with them wife here, you know. Sure. Watch you now, man. Sure. Listen now.
Listen, man. Me can't bother with them mother with them. Man, Miss, she can't show off for you, man. Go on the step, mama. Be a show off for me, you know. It's alright, man.
Yeah, you left. You left, you know. Yeah, you left. We never want to find you again. Nothing.
Me left. So, yeah, I'm gonna find you. I don't know. Me find one more wife on your street. We live in your yard, so you can see her. Yeah, in the yard, me I look hard too.
You left in the yard.
How you mean? Where you go do?
You left in the yard.
Where you go do?
The first kick a game. The first kick a game.
You can't kick my new wife. You're mad. Now you leave me, you know. So me don't want to leave you, and you trick me. I know you leave me. Eh? You see you abuse your head brain long time, you know. It's alright. It's alright.
Use another one.
What me do? What me do?
Use the next one.
What me do?
But me there same way.
Yeah.
What me do you?
Every time when you come, you get there's a funny face. Just can't come out. Just can't go again. But just I go out now.
You know you go out now. A long time you go out.
Yes.
I don't know.
Long time.
That's why I want to divorce you a long time. You think I know more want to divorce you? A long time more want to divorce you. A long time more want to divorce you. You think I know? You say yo, I know a long time you deal with me, so you know, Miss Joyce. But everything is alright, man. You think I have a wife? Eh? Then watch it all the time, you know, so most can get a wife. Yeah.
Then the married wife easily.
You say, them not easy. My wife, them not easy. So she don't give mango?
You know, I hear mango.
Alright, give me.
So you can't ask me, you can't
You just say no. Yes, I know, you know.
It's alright, man. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Then why you have picture? Why you have picture for?
I've made the world know, say me a left. Me a left.
Why you have picture for?
What me have picture for? Now you delete the picture. Now delete the picture. But I got delete it.
Me never want soon again, you know. Me never want soon. Mango come in, you know.
Where's the man a come in? Which man a come in here? That's why you have me.
Alright.
Me know when you talk to she, you talk to me. And me if you talk to.
Oh, excuse me.
Me if you talk to.
Yes, we got some mango this morning. See some man. Come taste one now.
Me too?
Come take one. Yeah, see.
Me too.
Yeah.
You give me?
Yes, see.
So you give me mango and me and me left.
See, yeah, take one my mango.
Alright, I'm gonna take everything. I can't take everything, whereas me left. Let me take the whole crate of mango.
No, take two out of it.
Two. Thanks for your mango.
Give me mango.
What are you doing, Miss Joyce?
A black here.
No,
Thanks.
you know I'm take one.
So you give me two and you really move on here.
And me you.
You know give me.
And me you
Thanks,
not.
Miss Joyce.
Oh, me go take.
Me give you anything.
It's alright, man. It's
Alright, my mom, I take three, yeah?
It's alright. Fine, it's alright, man. Why? I never know so it's like a hurt. You know, being left.
On the foot now.
They by your foot now.
Please, will you please take it from me, please?
Of course I will take it.
Yeah.
Thanks. At least me have something can remember you.
God bless.
God bless you. Me have the mango remember you.
Remember it.
Yeah. I probably not eat it. I probably put it on my dresser so I will remember you. I'll keep it in the fridge.
You think
You think?
I do want to wait like a bit.
No, sir. This gets serious. Miss Joyce, bye-bye.
Bye, Miss Joyce.
I'm vex when I go in.
Bye-bye.
So already,
Of course, I must go away already.
wait what happened?
Liquor go on, yeah. Liquor go on. Liquor go on.
Alright, darling, take care.
This is your darling.
Okay, sweetheart.
I'm not even your sweetheart. I'm your divorced husband.
Divorce husband. Yes.
I'm your divorced husband, so all is well.
Okay.
I will get another wife.
Then
I'm gonna tell her, sir, right in your yard, me and look her.
Yes, sir.
In your yard, she live right at the yard back.
Come right in, yes, sir.
And see when time in there, me I come muggle upon you, me and my wife.
Come in, yes, sir.
Of course.
And yes, sir, no come.
I'm not afraid to come in there with her.
Sure.
Fight, my man. I say, you see, that's why I kill him, but sure. Are you first, you know? Are you started, Miss Joyce? Are you started?
Sure.
Why do you come for divorce, you? And you never want that. Some say, okay, I know I come back, you tell me, say, me left. It's alright. My hurt, but me I hold my hurt.
It's alright.
I hope you're happy.
All the while. All the while. You should too. See me.
What's your
Yeah, my Lord, Master.
You have your new husband, me know. Whoa, even know you have your new husband. I might give back your mango too. Yeah, I might give back your mango. But I can keep it. You know. Alright. Next time. You see me, I've got to have my own show.
I hope so, you know.
I hope so.
I hope so.
You're going to have your own show.
I hope so.
A reality show.
I hope so.
Yeah, but I'm not really too sure because I left today, but me think about it.
Me not care. Me not care.
You don't care?
I don't care.
I know you don't care.
I don't give a damn.
I know.
I don't business. I don't care what happened. I think what happened. And they set up here.
Yes, just hope that the new husband treat you well. I hope him treat you well.
Wow.
Yes, I hope so. I hope you give enough mango so you run him belly too. Yeah, come go again and give me mango for run my belly. It's alright. I hope you give enough mango and run him belly. Alright then, my ex-wife. Me see my ex-wife.
Okay, no husband.
No, ex-husband.
Me ex-husband.
Yes.
Yeah, alright.
Dream team, one team, man.
Alright.
All the time.
Alright.
Bye-bye, man.
Bye-bye.
Morris, my general.
Mama.
Morris, where are you going? All is well. All is well. You know, Era looking out for you.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we bring a meal for you, you know?
Alright, cool.
Original Morris. So all is well, right? You're good? Health-wise, everything good?
No, fully no, foot them not good. I'm not tell you.
Your foot them not good? Yeah.
Yeah, I walk one more time, you know. Sometimes I can't do no for money at all.
We have what cause that?
Poor circulation, let me say.
Oh, poor circulation. Yeah.
So more time I can't walk for it more time.
Oh, so you need something to kind of thin the blood so you can circle.
Yeah.
I don't believe in our roots, in a herb.
Man. Yeah, man.
Snagapos.
Well, I work with Snagapos all night time, but why come like I can't afford to
Yeah.
They're expensive, you know.
Yeah, we know what I true. And them work, right?
You know me good too, man.
Good. Man. I say if him can make you have something for your food.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah,
man, I make him try and start out something for your circulation.
Alright, you don't know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Come on, go and give you some more food to the LLM. But, right?
Food, yeah.
Yeah. Mama,
soon as you have that license plate confirmed on the van, you have a name. Who rented that? That is not only a name, that's an address. What's the address? Obviously, the person who rented that, you go to the address. Are there additional explosive devices? There's a lot of information you can get from the van that's really critical. Well, all right, guys, stand by. We're expecting officials to give us an update.
All right, yeah,
What line?
yeah, come on, take it.
Thanks. Yeah, man, thank you. Anytime.
Yeah. Amigo.
So that we could go a stove young water now.
Your stove mash up?
Yeah, man, they had played that one. Yeah,
One tweet.
Yeah, bless it.
Yeah. That's your food there, amigo.
Time, you know.
Long time.
Sure, yeah, go and get
Sure.
Yeah, man, I give thanks and pray every time, brother.
Eh?
I people in my England, I can know and I say that one and I say about somebody in England from Nian, Chan and Carry and I say that all of you and I say, yeah, man, brother, in there, man. Come on, and I say, you can do something good for me, and I say it. Yeah, man, because I mean, tell a man, tell rough, you know, swear the stroke, man, yam, man. And then I've been come with me too long and come give me the food there, you know, some chips and them things there, and I say it. Yeah, man. And I say, yeah, man.
Next time, yeah?
Yeah, because I tell the brother, I like him more, you know, from Gaelic, from Salax. Yeah, tell the brother, I like him more. Bread, and I say it. Yeah, man, them pillar me take, man. And I say it, pillar me take it.
Oh, yeah, amigo. For all my new viewers. Yeah, for all my new viewers, all the new subscribers to the program.
Rough in a bread, because right now, you know the coal now. 1,700 coal and you know,
$1,700.
Yeah, 2,700. Can't buy the coal, yeah, but one of our first students and carry it. She know gang, you don't know. Fair old man, can't get the coal and for a fair town too.
Amigo.
I say, yeah, man.
Alright, to all the new viewers there, this is Amigo. Yeah, Amigo can't hear properly, so he's not going to hear anything that I'm saying. So the only thing I can give him is signal. Amigo?
Yeah, and I say,
yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then.
This boy, I come take note of that rubbish, and I say, yeah, man, that's how I'm going to put on to wedding, and I say it. Yeah, man, I give thanks and praise to the power of the Almighty God every time, you know. Yeah, man. So that I'll sit back in my night, man, I don't know where they can't just move, and I say, if I'm not yet, and I say, yeah, brother.
Alright, big up, amigo, big up.
Alright, say it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, bless you, God, me.
Yeah.
Yes, probably chat,
Amigo, cat.
Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.